But as I said, I really have two lives with my father. The first half is till I became a mother, when he was missing. The second half is when David was born, and by that time my grandparents had died, my brother was in a mental institution. Nobody was there to accuse me of disloyalty. But Menke drew me into his family, and he loved parties. He would get on the phone and call up, everybody in the family to come for a party to make l'chaims. And they drank and they sang folk songs, and he played the mandolin. And for 35, 40 years, I had a wonderful life, thanks to the fact that he had opened up his arms to draw me in. So it's really two lives with one man.